How to reduce risk and minimize losses while trading. Just become best friends with stop loss orders. A stop loss order is a tool to limit your losses. With stop loss orders, you can place an order to buy or sell a stock at a predefined price. Helps you to minimize the losses on trades. Stop loss orders help you build a disciplined investment strategy. It is the best defense against market volatility. It monitors your trades at no additional cost. You can calculate how much money to risk on a single trade and much more. Here is a simple example. Well, let's consider you purchased ABC stocks at Rs 53 assuming it would go up, but due to the market fluctuation, the current market price is falling and you don't wish to take the risk below a certain price. Therefore, you place a stop loss order. Let's say you put a stop loss order with a trigger price of Rs 49 for ABC stocks. This means that when the stock price of ABC reaches Rs 49, your stop loss market order gets activated and your ABC stocks will sell at whatever price is prevailing in the market. Similarly, you can place a stop loss limit order where you can specify trigger price along with the limit price. Stop loss is valid only for 1 day. If you don't place a stop loss order, you will keep incurring further losses. If you wish to place an order with a longer validity, meet GTT, good till triggered orders. With GTT, your orders can remain valid till expiry of this contract or for 1 year. GTT makes you a disciplined trader. Tracking markets all day creates anxiety. Traders often make decisions in those pressure situations which may not work in their favor. With GTT, you don't need to place a stop loss order every day. All you need to do is define your buy or sell price, set your profit target, enter loss limit. Let's assume you want to buy XYZ stocks. Below the buy and sell icon, click on the Create GTT Order button. Once you define your entry price, you add a stop loss at the maximum price below which you do not wish to incur losses and enter the target amount where you want to book your profits. Well, this way you don't have to constantly time the markets. Just leave it on GTT and trade stress-free. Happy trading, Team Upstocks.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.